case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A decade-long voting rights case involving the city of Chicago Heights and the Chicago Heights Park District has caught the court's attention. The plaintiffs argued that the at-large election method used by the city and park district to elect their representatives to the city council and park district board diluted the voting strength of African Americans and thus violated the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The district court initially ruled that the at-large election method would be replaced with cumulative voting, but this decision was later reversed and remanded. A consent decree was established to replace the at-large election method with single-member districts, but it was vacated and remanded for further proceedings. The court held that the at-large election method in the city and park district violated the Voting Rights Act of 1965. However, the district court's remedy was flawed, requiring further proceedings. Additionally, they recalculated the plaintiff's attorney's fee awards. The case remains ongoing as the court seeks a proper solution that follows state law and addresses the violation of voting rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.